how to find drafts on Instagram. So if you find this tutorial helpful, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on to be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So how to find the drafts of your Instagram? First is to go to your Instagram app. So this will directly open up to your homepage of your Instagram. So what you need to do is tap on the profile, and in your profile tap on the plus icon. So you have some options here, but I am going to choose the Reels option. So if you want another option, just it is fine. So as you can see that there is a drafts button right there. So you can choose here, or maybe if it is not showing, you can just go here to your album and you can see that it is drafts with the drafts button. So there is the draft that I have made. So that's it on how to see your drafts on your Instagram account. So I hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe and thank you for watching.